Hello, beautiful people. Today we're making beef curry. And to start off, put oil in the pan, approximately 2 to 3 spoons, and then add your whole spices, your cumin, your star anise, and cinnamon stick, and cloves. It's time for your onions. Then fry them until it softens or until it becomes golden brown. Then you have to stir it from time to time so it will not stick to the pan. Then add in your ginger. It can be fresh ginger or powdered ginger. In this video, I am using ginger, fresh ginger, and powdered ginger. It's like a turmeric powder. And then garlic. Any types of garlic either you want. Add in your ground cumin. This, I really love cumin. I love the smell, so I'm gonna add more. Time for your tomatoes or tomatoes, whatever. Okay, that's what I said earlier, turmeric powder to give color as well to this dish. Time for salt, chili powder. You can adjust the taste later on. If it's bland or it lacks salt or any seasoning. Then time to put in your garam masala. It can be a paste garam masala or powdered or meat masala, anything that is available in your kitchen, you can add it on. And also I forgot to take a video. I added beef cube and yogurt to this dish as well. Then time for the star of this dish, beef. Okay, depends on your liking, whatever part of the cow you want. Okay, it can be like the bony part, the fatty part, whatever, depends on your liking. Okay. And then add some water, maybe half a cup of water into the pan. Cover it for about 5 minutes and check it from time to time so you can add more water if it's too dry. Alright, so time for tomato paste or tomato paste, however you pronounce it. I really don't know. Sorry guys. Alright, it's almost done, I guess, or maybe no. In my case, I don't have pressure cooker to cook the meat faster, so my ability to deal with a difficult situation kicked in, so I used that microwave plate to cover the pan, and so the pressure stays inside. Not totally, but at least, right? If you know what I mean. Alright, then stir again. Oh, taste test. I think it's good, char. It's the best I can say. Yeah, then cover it again until the beef softens. and taste again. Okay. Okay, bye you guys. The Disney princess will eat now. Bye!